Everybody make some noise. Come on out there, make some noise. Before we were leaders, we were all dreamers. As the world got bigger, the voice got quieter. And when we realized that those dreams, they were not a fantasy and they were just a preview of who you would become when the world demanded more from you, the world becomes your playground. Crisis reveals character. Crisis reveals your skills. And crisis reveals your patterns of behavior. I want you to feel how it felt when you believed without hesitation that you were here to do more. I want you to find that moment. Find that spark. If you don't possess it, you can't give it. If you don't possess certainty, you can't create certainty in others. If you can't influence yourself under fire, how can you influence others in the fire?
I talk a lot about this in my keynotes, and it's a metaphor of a superhero, but they're really an ordinary person. And they're given this mission in this super suit, and it's so powerful they can take on anything. The whole goal is that they're supposed to save the world from self-destruction. Here's the thing, that suit came with instructions, and they lost the instructions. Life feels a lot like that. A lot of us were not given the instructions. Or if we were given some, maybe they were outdated beliefs. Maybe they got buried in all the noise of life. I'm here to help people find their potential, take action, and pull the world forward faster. That's the mission.
There's three forces at play here, and we call it the High Voltage Triad. Number one, revolution. This is your purpose. This is your why. This is why we're doing what we're doing. This is what keeps us motivated when things get hard. Number two, your presence. Never let your presence be louder than your message. This is who you are under fire. Not who you think you are, but who you've built yourself to be. Number three, rhythm. This is the engine. This is what moves the world, everyone. These are our habits, our systems, our environment, our way of thinking. And this is making progress inevitable, repeatable, instead of occasional. When the high voltage triad aligns, we create project leaders, high voltage, self-charging rock stars who love what they do, why they do it, how they do it, and who they do it for. Before we were leaders, we were dreamers. We all have the power of flight. We can all zoom back 30,000 feet, see the whole system, and then fly right in to where our team needs us most. We all have laser focus.
We are the champions, my friends, and we'll...
Every one of us has super strength. The strength to unite people, to come together, to lift the things that we cannot do alone.
1, 2, 3! Wonderful!
Together, with that unity, we can move mountains. You all have the power to go write your own instruction manual. Because the real power, it's not in the suit. It's who you become wearing the suit. Dream on, everyone.